Checking in at a doctor's office. Receptionist. Hello, welcome to Dr. Smith's office. Do you have an appointment? Patient. Yes, I do. My appointment is at 3 p.m. Receptionist. Okay, can I have your name, please? Patient. My name is Robert James. Receptionist. Are you still at 527th Street Northwest? Patient. Yes, that is still my address. Receptionist. And your phone number is still 780-561-3333? Patient. Yes, my phone number is the same. Receptionist. Thank you, Mr. James. Can I see your healthcare card, please? Patient. Sure, here it is. Receptionist. Thank you. Why are you seeing the doctor today? Patient. I've had stomach pain for the past week. Receptionist. I'm sorry to hear that. Please fill out this form with your medical history. Receptionist. Please note if any of your medications have changed. Receptionist. You can fill out the medical history form while you wait in the waiting room. Patient. Sure. How long will the wait be? Receptionist. Usually around 10 to 15 minutes. Receptionist. We'll call your name when the doctor is ready to see you. Patient. Thank you.